Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I am so excited to finally be trying out this viral Amazon lip product. Literally my mom and my sister already have this product and here I am thinking I'm so hip, up to date with the makeup products, but I haven't even tried this out yet. This is the Peripera Ink Velvet liquid lipstick. I chose the shade 15, but this comes in a bunch of different shades. And like I said, you can get it on Amazon. It's a Korean beauty product and I love K-beauty. I love trying out Korean beauty skincare, makeup products. So like I said before, I am so excited to finally try this out. So let's see how it is. The packaging on this is definitely kind of like unique, not what you would expect for a lip product, but let's check out the applicator here. It almost seems like this would be like a squeezy top where you could pick up product, but no, that's just kind of like an illusion. It has a pointy doe foot applicator. Ooh, it smells kind of nice. It actually kind of smells slightly, like not very potent, but slightly like a sweet tart. So not a bad smell to it. Let's go ahead and see how it swatches. Ooh, nice pigment. I did not even plan purposely to wear this color dress with this lip, but I think it's going to go perfectly with my outfit today. So here is a better view of the swatch and the applicator. You can see it's at a slight angle, which I like as well. And so from what I could see online, this is more of like a lip tint, but I think you can build it up to be more full opaque color. But I want to start out maybe just applying a little bit and see what happens. Yeah, the texture of it is a nice kind of like whipped, moussey yet balmy feel. Like it has no stickiness to it. A nice slippy texture. Just kind of seeing what happens when I blend it out with my finger. And that is like a nice kind of translucent wash of color for just like a tint of color. I do have a little bit of dry, chapped lips, and where I have like a dry patch there, it is kind of clinging to it. So that's not what I like to see in a lip product. I want it to have a smooth texture, not enhanced texture. But it has such a balmy, comfortable feel that I'm surprised it's looking drying like that. But I do want more of an opaque color, so I'm going to apply a bit more. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I would say as I'm painting it on the way I would like a regular liquid lipstick, it is looking almost opaque, almost full pigment. The texture of this is really nice, unique, so comfortable. Not at all like heavy or sticky. Doesn't feel like anything on the lips except for like a nice lip balm, but it clearly has good pigment. This is a really fun shade. It really does look perfect with my outfit now that I have it fully on. And now I'm very curious what the transfer is going to be like. Let's see. Oh, wow. It's the slightest hint of a kiss mark. That to me basically is such minimal transfer. I would say this is basically transfer resistant or transfer proof. And it still looks exactly the same intact on my lips. So that's amazing. I was expecting it to almost all come off in that kiss mark there based off how creamy of a texture it has. So I love that this really is long lasting. It is so cool how it feels like it's gonna come off, yet it's really stuck on so nicely on the lips. product. I feel like my only complaint is just that the texture of it is not completely smooth. If you have chapped areas on your lips, this is going to emphasize that a little bit. It's not terrible, but I'm so picky with my lip products. So I would recommend a lip scrub, exfoliate the lips before wearing this. But other than that, it is such a cool product, such a cool formula that I am very excited to wear and to have in my collection. I'm so glad I finally tried this out. I have definitely been missing out on this because it is seriously unlike any other lip product I have in my collection, and I have a pretty massive collection of lip products. But so if you've tried it out, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. If you've tried any of the other shades, let me know which ones are your favorites. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.